Hello everyone, welcome back to the iMyFone channel. Did you try to unlock your Android phone pattern lock but happen to forget it? It remains frustrating, right? Don't worry, we're going to show you 4 ways to unlock Android screen lock. For your convenience, let me walk you through method that unlock your Android phone without losing data. Method 1, unlock Android phone. A buy iMyFone, LockWiper Andriod first. Free download LockWiper Andriod from description below and open it. Then click Remove Screen Lock. If your device is Samsung, congratulations. You have the chance to unlock it without losing any data. Simply choose Keep Device Data, click Start, and select your device model from the list provided. Wait for downloading the data package. It will unlock your pattern lock just in minutes without data loss. Now check your Android phone. The screen lock has been removed and your data is still safe. Pretty amazing, right? If you have another brand like LG, Huawei, or Xiaomi, etc., or your device is not on the list of the previous mode, you can use Remove Screen Lock. Please be aware this method may cause data loss. Click Start and connect your device with PC. Confirm your device information and wait for the data package preparing. Then follow the on-screen instruction to set your device, and it will remove the screen lock quickly. Method 2, unlock Android phone via factory reset. First, let me show you the common buttons on an Android phone, the volume buttons and the power button on the side. Now, I'll demonstrate how to unlock an Android phone by resetting it. Start by pressing and holding the volume down button along with the power button until the screen goes black. Then press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time until the screen lights up. Once it does, release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button until you see the screen. Now you can use the volume buttons to select Wipe Data or Factory Reset on your Android phone. Look, selecting Reset Factory Phone on the screen will unlock your phone's screen password. However, please note that this action will erase your phone's data, so proceed with caution. If these steps don't help your phone get into the recovery menu, you might want to give LockWiper Andriod a try to unlock your phone. Method 3, bypass Android lock screen via ADM Step 1. Log into the Android Device Manager, find My Device website. Then select the Android phone you want to unlock. Step 2, there are 2 options in the list. Select the Factory Reset Device option. Please note that this method will erase all your phone data, so read the instructions carefully. Step 3. Save your choice and use the passcode to unlock your device. Please note that this method will erase all your phone data, so read the instructions carefully. If you want to bypass the Android lock screen without losing data, I recommend using iMyFone LockWiper Andriod. For those who are still using Android 4.4 and below, you can use Google account to remove the password lock on your device screen. Here is how to unlock Android phone password without losing data using Google account. Step 1. Press the Home button and draw any pattern on the device. Step 2. The notification Incorrect Pattern will appear. Click on the Forgot Pattern tab on the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Choose Enter Google account details greater than next options. Then enter your Google account credentials. Step 4. Provide and confirm a new pattern and use it to open your device. All right, that's a wrap for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you found these methods helpful, be sure to share them with your friends. We can't wait to see you in the next video.